Yeah, today I'm going to show you uh, easy fix of PC screen with a backlight issue. So that is a very simple way you can go through to fix this issue. So let's go. First of all, you have to disassemble the PC and put out the screen like I already you see. So then you put out the panel, the backlight panel, like like it here, you see. So then you put out the backlight panel. If you are a technician, you already know what I'm saying. So then you have to first check a shot a shot on the panel. So first you use your multimeter to find if there is any shorts on the panel. You use your multimeter on continuity like this. Continuity. You put on continuity. Use the wire, the two wires plus and minor, and you check a short on the panel. If there isn't any shorts on the panel, then what you will do, you have to check this component. That's the common issue. You check these components and you check with your multimeter, with the current check, with a current check. You see, on voltage, you put on a voltage and you check the components. You check the side with the ground. You can find ground anywhere. Here is the ground, here is the ground. You can find also ground around here, around this iron, the golden iron. So then you put your minus around any grounds, and then you use this one to check the both sides of this component. Check here, you have to get a voltage another side, the other side too. Then if you get a voltage at one side and the other side didn't get any voltage, then you should know that is this component which is having an issue. So then is my case. This is what I've got on my case, and I didn't have any spare component. Then I'll retrieve it from another screen and replace it, and that's all. So I retrieve it from this old screen. I won't use it again, so then I will try it from here. You see, that's the component. I will try it from here, and I put it at the same place, and then I'm having a backlight on the screen. So no need, just check the panel, check shots on the panel. If there isn't shots, check this component. That's all. So I'll on the computer and show you what's happened. then I on the computer. You see I have a light. On the computer. I have a light and the screen is fixed. I have a light, the screen is fixed. So another thing I have to let you know is about the fuse on the panel. I have an issue with one fuse, and I braid it. So I use a wire. To connect the first side to the second side, just to make the current flow directly. So also you have to check each fuse on the panel to check if you have a current at the both sides of the fuse. Let me show you a couple fuse on the panel. Here is a fuse. You see this? Let me zoom on it. You see this one with a hole inside is a fuse. Mine here is also a fuse, this one, but this one have issue, and I try to 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 braid it with a wire, and I put one wire to connect to both sides to let the current flow easily. So I can let it like this or change it with by finding it on another panel. So let me conclude. Any issue with a backlight on the screen, you have just to take a shot on the panel with your multimeter, put it on continuity, and you check.
If there isn't any short,
Check the fuse. After checking the fuse, then check out these components. They almost always panel have two at the panel, so you check the both sides and check if you having a voltage at the both sides. If you having voltage of the both sides, normally you should have a light on the screen. That's all. Thank you for watching.